With this video, I'm going to run through the installation progress for the application Xojo that we're going to need to continue with our object-oriented programming unit. So going to Google, I'm simply going to type in Xojo and search. Go to the website, and I'm going to click the download button. Now, if you have not already created, which I know you will not have, created a account at Xojo, you should probably create the account first. You're going to need to use a valid email address. There will be no charge. Once you have created your account, it's going to pop you back to the main page and you can click on the format that you want to download. And because I'm on a Mac, I'm going to download my Mac OS X. And it pops up here to the corner. And when it's finished downloading, I'm simply going to run the DMG file. So I'm going to let that go at this point. So if you started Xojo in the classroom, you're going to remember that there were a minimum of 3 video tutorials for each tutorial. And the first one was simply creating a build. So using the proper controls to build your application the way you wanted to, adding the text boxes, the buttons, the pictures, etc. that you're going to need for that application. The second video tutorial led you through behaviors and properties. So setting everything up the way you wanted it to be, making it look and perform the way you want it to perform. And then the third video tutorial in each lesson was how to program. So the same thing will be available here for you. On Edsby, I'm going to post a minimum of 3 links every time, and you'll click and watch those videos that will be on YouTube. And the video will show you how to build and set the controls and then program each one of your applications. Now, while we're waiting for this to download, I can briefly mention something about evaluation. Evaluating your work at this time is something that's very much up in the air. They do expect us to give you a mark by the end of this semester, I guess, so you'll be getting a mark based on the work. But I'm going to have to do some thinking about how to get you to demonstrate your level of understanding to me. I'm not sure what I'm going to do at this point, but what I'm asking you to do is simply follow through the tutorials as best you can. Try and complete each activity. There will be 10 different applications you will have finished when you're done the Xojo unit. And within those applications, though, there are learning points where, for example, after tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, I ask you to, for tutorial 6, demonstrate to me your understanding of all of these activities by putting together a simple application that utilizes everything we've done so far. So those will more likely be the things I focus on for the evaluation, but more information will come when I get to that point. So here my download file is completed, so now I'll simply run the image file and install Xojo on my home computer. Now I already have it installed on this computer, so I'm simply going to skip this process. I will stop, but you run through that. Go ahead and do your installation, drag and drop into your applications folder, and you will have Xojo installed on your computer for free. And there you go. So stay tuned. The lessons will start showing up Monday at some point in time. I'll post this one today, which is Sunday, and hopefully you can all get Xojo installed today or install it first thing tomorrow. Okay. Hope it all works out for you. Please make sure you read the instructions carefully. Please make sure when you are following through with the tutorial lesson, if something doesn't work for you, try it again, because everything does work. All the tutorials I made myself, and in making those tutorials I did some troubleshooting, and everything does work as long as you follow the instructions closely. All right. Thank you very much. Let's see how well this goes. It's going to be fun.